Guys, from today we are starting Java full stack interview questions. The questions contain it will almost like some 50 questions. Welcome. In this we can able to talk about three models like one of the cloud and other is backend and frontend. First of all, we need to discuss about what are the topics present in the backend, and later we can go for frontend, and after we can go for services in the cloud, whatever we are using for the Java full stack. Okay, let's start. While coming to backend topics, we can able to learn for the interview. Backend topics for interviews for Java. Uh, First thing, I used to go for core Java. Second thing, I used to go for exceptions. Third thing, I used to go for string. And fourth thing, I need to go for oops concepts. After, I need to go for collections. Uh, After completing collections, I will move to Java 8. Like Java 8 is a version of Java. In Java 8, there is a lambda expression, functional interface, and streams. We need to work on streams. Streams API, data and time API, and minimal we need to look after in Java 8. While completing Java 8, after completing Java 8, we need to go for what are the module, what are the in the versions. There are many of features available like in Java 9, Java 11, Java 17, Java 24. We need to see after this Java after while completing this. There are main modules. There are some of the main features are available, and in the upcoming versions, we need to look. Sorry, Java. Java 17, Java 24. After completing these interview questions, we can able to move some part of advanced Java. In the advanced Java, there is a servlets. After completing servlets, you can able to move like a Spring framework. Spring framework. For completing Spring framework, we need to move on Spring Boot. So after completing Spring Boot, we can able to move on Spring Security. In this only we can able to use JWT technique. After completing this Spring Security, we can able to move on Hibernate. After completing Hibernate, we can able to move on microservices. Microservices improve questions. And, so After completing microservice, we can able to move for Kafka introductions. Kafka is nothing but asynchronous, providing asynchronous communication in the microservices part. Yeah, after completing this all, we can able to, we had missed some topics like multi-threading. We need to do like multi-threading design pattern, solid principles. These are threading design patterns. And some of the concepts like REST APIs, serialization. Serialization, as well as Maven, Gradle, interview questions. Majorly, they will ask like what's the difference between Maven and Gradle to build for building the Spring Boot in the Spring Boot. And finally, we can go for the database like SQL, MongoDB. SQL it is like in MySQL it is like a relational database. In MongoDB we can able to use non-relational database. Mm, After completing all these things, we can able to move on cloud. First thing we can able to learn Docker. Kubernetes, and after we can come lastly we can go for AWS. In AWS there is a AWS Lambda, and there are many services we can able to work on, but right now I'm saying talking about AWS Lambda. In the further upcoming sessions I can able to discuss about AWS services more. Yeah, while coming to front end, we can able to discuss HTML, CSS, JavaScript. In the JavaScript, there is a concept when the starting like from ECMAScript, like JavaScript 6, starting version JavaScript 6 from starting of ECMAScript. In the ECMAScript, we can able to, after ECMAScript completing ECMAScript, we can able to go for React.js. Yeah, finally, this is what all over the preparation, overall 650 questions. Includes coding, real-time scenario questions like high on a high level real-time scenario. On high level. And after all completing this, we can go for like code, some of the tools like Prometheus, Grafana. We can able to discuss later all these things. And after completing this, we can like code coverage tools like SonarQube. We can able to discuss in the further sessions. That's it from the video, and These are all intro topics we need to learn from starting tomorrow. We can able to work on core Java, and later we can go for exceptions, strings, hoops, concepts, collections, and these are all versions. And in the versions there is like features, with the use of features, like on what application we can able to do, like what kind of application we can able to do. After completing this all, we can able to we can able to jump in on Spring Framework. After completing Spring Framework, you can go for Spring Boot as well as Spring Security. In the Spring Security, JWT as well as Auth using yeah. And in Spring Security there are many questions like XSS, CSRF, how to manage security in the whole application level, like this real-time scenario questions we can able to go forward. And in microservices there are like many topics to discuss, so it will take time. And Kafka also same thing. In Kafka nearly 25 real-time scenarios is there. We need to discuss about it. And after completing all these things, we need to jump on. We can able to jump like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and finally we can able to learn React.js questions. And after overing all these things, like how do you Dockerize the Spring Boot application to container Kubernetes, like these questions in AWS Lambda, what are the services you had followed till now? It's like on a high level scale. You can able to prepare overall 650 questions. It's like huge, but it is like it's like a 1 month. It will take 1 month at least to complete all these questions. So please try to this question. So please try to follow these questions and learn. And yeah, that's it from this video. Yeah, thank you. Please subscribe my channel.